What's up YouTube? Welcome to the first video in this series. What I'm going to be doing is documenting the build of this E30 right here. It's a 1991 325i with about 160,000 miles on it. At least that's when the odometer stopped working. I started building it out already. I've had it for about 6 months, but kind of what I've come to realize is that everything that I haven't already touched is completely unknown. And the goal being to eventually ask about 3 to 3,500 wheel horsepower to the car. I don't want to do that not knowing what's going on with the car. So without further ado, here we go. We're going to pull the motor in the car, eventually rebuild it, throw it back in there, throw some boost on it, and have a good time. So.